Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Maraki. In today's video, we'll unbox and review the Fabbag November 2020 edition. This month they have a full-sized sugar product of choice of shade. Then they have a full-size lipstick with shade choice and a skincare product of choice. So I'm already hoping to like it. If you don't know, this is a monthly subscription box priced at Rs 5.99 including shipping per month. And if you go for longer subscriptions, it comes to a lesser price. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is the box. It comes like this every month. So here is the pouch this month, and it's a very pretty clutch. Actually, you can actually use this as a party wear clutch because it's a beautiful golden and black combination. It has nice pattern on it, and this is really shiny glittery gold color. It does have the Fabbag logo, so if you don't mind it, it is actually a pretty nice clutch that can be used for parties or something like that. And it's a pretty good size. It will carry your phone and some cash and keys and things like that. And this is how it opens. So let's go through all the products one by one. I did like the pouch this time since it has a clutch design. You can even gift it to somebody if you don't want to use. You have a lot of clutches. You can at least gift it to kids and things like that. Very apt for the upcoming festive season. So the star product this month in my opinion is this Sugar Glow and Behold Jelly Highlighter. The shade I chose is 01 Gold. This is a gold warm undertone highlighter which will suit darker skin tones more. They have all the 3 shades in choice options. This one is of MRP 4.99 and you can see all the details here. Net weight is 3 grams and used before is 7/2023 because highlighters do take a lot of time to get over. You just need a little bit of it. This is the packaging of the box. Really cute and pretty packaging. I did like it. The shade name is also mentioned here along with used before and all those details. So you can throw away the cartoon box. This looks really pretty and this looks more like a champagne gold color rather than a bang on yellow gold, which I actually love because this is the best shade for Indian skin tones. It looks really beautiful. So this is a little bit of like a tiny drop I have taken, and look at that pigmentation. It's really blingy and really shiny, but of course we'll not be applying this in so much quantity. We need to see how blendable this is. I love the shade. The pigmentation is really good and this is not having chunky shimmers, which I do like. Let me try to blend this. Oh my god, it's really beautiful. You see that sheen? I am in love. This is my normal skin and this is the highlighted skin. It suits my skin tone perfectly, and the thing I love about this is it's really super blendable, easy to use, and it gives you a sheen, a glow rather than a chunky highlighter feel, which I don't personally like. So I'm very happy with this. This product is something that has really good reviews. Many of you guys have also used this and recommended this to me. So I was actually looking forward to trying this product and I got it in my Fabbag. So very happy with this one. If you are in the need of highlighter, definitely go for the Fabbag. I can already say that. Then the second product of choice is this one. It's by the brand Teen and it's their Color Life Non-Transfer Lipstick Added Primer. And I chose the shade Ruby Red because last time when I chose a brown shade, it actually didn't suit me when I applied it on my lips. So I tried to play it safe this time. I know reds suit me. Its MRP is 290 rupees. And best before 36 months, that's starting from April 2020. It is a seal pack, which I appreciate, and you have all the shade options in this, starting from pinks, browns, nudes, orange, different shades of red, bright red and dark red, things like that. So definitely you will like something. It is a retractable kind of packaging, which again I do like. Oh wow, this has a great pigmentation, guys. This is a very light swatch, single swipe, and you can see it's truly opaque, beautiful color payoff, highly pigmented, and it's pretty lightweight also. It's not too thick. It seems like I'm gonna love this color. So if you don't want this, you can go for any other shade of your choice. but this is a beautiful cherry red color, or ruby red as the name suggests. Very happy with this one too. Then the third product of choice was any one of these. You can either go for heart-shaped soap, the other gold ore soap, or either a body wash or a multani mitti lotion. So what I chose is this heart-shaped soap from Share. The reason is it's something that I can even gift to others because I have so many soaps already. This is 75 grams, 100% natural and handmade soap, pure geranium. And here are more details about the product. Cost is 399 rupees. Manufactured in December 2019 and best before 36 months. And you can see the ingredients also here. It seems pretty good. I have already used this before because I received it in one of the earlier Fabacs also. And it's pretty good. It has a nice fragrance, lathers pretty well, and it has a heart shape, so it's pretty nice, you know, it's kind of cute. And if you feel like gifting it to somebody, it's a nice gift, like a small and nice cute gift. So these were the 3 products of choice. Then coming to the usual products, first one is this Bezer India Luxury Beauty. This is the Cherry Blossom Face Toner and Mist, 50 ml size. It comes in a seal pack like this. Let me open this up first. Okay, so manufacturing is October 2020 and used before 36 months. MRP is 349 rupees, and this does not have any parabens, sulfates, phthalates, GMO, all those harmful chemicals. Directions are pretty simple. And let's see the ingredients. This does have alcohol in it and perfume. Well, this is a decent face toner and mist, as I can see from the ingredients list. This is a new brand, but I'll definitely try it out, and I do like floral fragrances, so hoping to like this one. The fragrance is actually very nice. If you have used the Japanese cherry blossom perfume from Body Shop, it smells like that, and quite a strong fragrance, I would say. So if you're allergic to fragrance, you might not like this, but it's a good face mist, something to just freshen up your mood and everything. Then the last product is from Bio Blush, and it says cup of coffee. So this is a clay face mask, 20 gram size. It says a robust and elevating face mask to leave the skin radiant and smooth. And cost of it is 180 rupees. Manufactured in October 2020 and best before 18 months. The ingredients look really nice, and I appreciate that they have mentioned the percentage of the ingredients. I am actually looking forward to trying this one. It seems very impressive. It has kaolin clay, bentonite clay, chocolate clay, glycerin, coffee powder, and some preservatives, etc. So it seems like a very good mask. And it is a seal pack again. Okay, so this is how it looks. It has a very mild coffee fragrance, nothing overpowering because it has a lot of clays also. But I'm sure this is gonna be very cleansing and purifying on your skin because of all the good ingredients like kaolin clay, bentonite clay and all. Definitely happy with this, looking forward to trying this one. So those are all the products in my November 2020 edition of Fabag. Here is the info card. This month's theme is the Highlight November Fabag. That's probably because we have the highlighter from Sugar, which is the star product. Here are all the pricing details mentioned. Most of these we have already gone through while going through individual products, but this is definitely a great festive edition. I did like all of these products. Apart from this was kind of a okay product for me, not so great. But everything else I actually loved. I love the clutch. A highlighter, definitely yes. Totally loved it. This one I was not sure, but I actually ended up liking it a lot. This one I have already used and I do like it. The face mask also seems very promising because it has a lot of clays, so it's gonna be great for your skin. So overall I am very happy with this edition. I will definitely recommend this to all of you guys. Any of you who are interested in getting a highlighter or a lipstick, you can rather go for a Fabag this month and get all of these at a discounted price. Do let me know what you think about this month's edition in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big like and some love in the comments. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel for some amazing subscription box reviews. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.